What's up, YouTube? Jeff back again today. Another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen. If you guys didn't see earlier today, a lot of controversy going on. We posted an article about the Bluetooth S Pen that could potentially exist for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It turns out that may not be the case. It looks like there might not be a Bluetooth S Pen. There was an Amazon UK page that talked about Air Actions, which of course requires Bluetooth. There was also a Samsung blog post on their Business Insights page that was written by a freelance journalist, but of course was approved by Samsung, that also mentions that you could buy a Bluetooth S Pen separately. We don't know, obviously, it doesn't look like there's one that goes in there, but maybe in the future, the S Pen Pro or something could support Air Actions on the S25 Ultra, but it doesn't look like we're gonna have one that's siloed inside. However, I did want to answer a question that I got a lot in the last video, because a lot of people are really excited about Bluetooth, obviously. They're really missing it, and of course, like I said in the last video, the S Pen that comes inside the S25 Ultra. And yes, this is the blue, titanium blue one, even though it's kind of hard to tell. It looks kind of silver. This S Pen's a lot lighter. It does not have Air Actions. You can see here, if you go into the settings, as I showed in the last one, you got Air Command, which doesn't require Bluetooth. However, a lot of people were asking the question, can you take the S Pen from your S24 Ultra and somehow use it to get Air Actions on here? Well, you can see there's not even a software menu here to do that. But if you take, let's just slide this over. Here's an S24 Ultra, and then we can take a look at the S Pen here. If we pop out the S Pen, first of all, a lot of questions about the size. I showed this off in the last video, and actually, let me real quickly change this. I forgot to turn the brightness up on the S24 Ultra so you guys could see it a little bit better. If you have the S Pen here and the one from the S25 Ultra, they are around the same length, right? They look exactly the same in terms of the length. However, the one from the S25 Ultra is a lot lighter because it doesn't have the Bluetooth, obviously doesn't need to be charged, all that stuff, which took some of the weight off the overall size of the phone, which is fine. But if you look here, of course, on the S24 Ultra, the difference is you'll see that you do have Air Actions here at the top. Now, if you try to use this over here, you can use it, right? Obviously, you can use this, but there's still no options for Air Actions inside the settings, so you can't utilize this for Bluetooth functionality. It's still, you can see, right, on this one, obviously, because I have Air Actions, I can use this from further away, control gestures on the phone, etc., etc. A lot of people were asking, well, what if you put this S Pen in here? Well, the problem with that is this thing doesn't even fully go in here correctly. Even if you insert it, see, it doesn't show you Air Actions. There's no Air Actions menu. So yeah, you can insert this. It won't go, it's the same size basically. So it'll go all the way in here until you get to the very end, and it shows inserted, but it doesn't pop up any new software menu. So the answer is no. Using an old S Pen will not magically get you Bluetooth functionality because, of course, this is really a software thing. And also, you need a mechanism inside the phone to charge the Bluetooth S Pen. So this guy, because it doesn't have Bluetooth, the S25 Ultra does not have that mechanism inside to charge it. That's why there was some skepticism earlier about the Bluetooth S Pen listing that was on Amazon UK, and also what they said over on Samsung's Insight blog, talking about this one that could do Air Actions. So at the end of the day, it looks like, no, you cannot use any of your old S Pens, S22, S23, S24 Ultra. Samsung looks like they're not gonna have a Bluetooth S Pen you can silo. Can you use the S Pen Pro? People have said no, not the current S Pen Pro for Bluetooth. I have an S Pen Creator Edition. It's not supported on the S25 Ultra either. I've tested the S Pen Creator Edition, S Pen Pro. There could be a future S Pen Pro 2 maybe that could support this. That's what I was thinking, is that on that blog article, in fact, if you go back to the post that we have over on Sammy Guru, they put this in their blog posting. This is Samsung Insights. They do say, if you go down here, let's see if they removed it. I mean, maybe they did remove it, who knows? It says set gestures. Bluetooth-enabled S Pen now sold separately acts as a remote control within select apps to help maximize productivity. So it does say it's sold separately, which is weird because it's never been sold separately. It seems like they intentionally put this here. And it's a whole paragraph. I mean, look at this. This is not just like, one little thing, like it'd be a typo. So it's possible in the future. I guess there could be another S Pen Pro, like a second generation that would support it. But for now, it looks like it's a no-go. You can't use your old S Pens. I know a lot of people had this question, so I want to answer that as well. Don't try it. I don't think it'll hurt your device, but obviously it's not going to give you Bluetooth. Looks like we're stuck without Bluetooth for now on the S25 Ultra. If we're really vocal about it, hopefully Samsung will bring it back on the S26 Ultra series next year. So hey, maybe we'll get a petition started and get that going over at Sammy Guru. Anyway, I appreciate you guys checking it out. Make sure you check out the website, sammyguru.com, like I said. If you're going to buy a Galaxy S25 device, you can still get on the mystery box program. Tap that, go right there, use our affiliate link to order, and we'll send you out a mystery box of case cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, all that other cool stuff. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.